Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone has power. Plug it in if needed because interrupted steps cause problems. Once powered, connect to a stable Wi-Fi so downloads finish quickly. Now unlock the iPhone and go straight to settings. This is where Core controls live. Tap the item you need, such as General or Bluetooth, to start. You're starting immediately. Do not detour into unrelated apps. This gets you to the system controls that drive the detailed actions next. Once in settings, change the specific toggles you require. Enable Bluetooth to pair, turn on Wi-Fi for downloads, and set Do Not Disturb if you need focus. Then open the App Store to install or update essential apps. Updates often fix bugs and enable features. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in so purchases and sync work. If you must add email or calendar, go to Passwords and Accounts and add the account. This keeps data flowing and services functional. You finish by confirming settings and restarting the iPhone to apply changes. A restart clears temporary glitches. After reboot, test key functions, call, message, app launch, and review storage and battery in settings if things feel slow. If a specific app misbehaves, force close and reopen it. If network issues remain, toggle airplane mode off and on. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity or persistent errors continue, reset network settings. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.